Hello friends, can you tell who is the author of Nature Red in Tooth and Claw? Options are given to you. Alfred Tennyson, Baron Tennyson, Robert Frost, Walt Whitman, or William Wordsworth. Guess the answer please. Okay, let me tell you the answer. Nature Red in Tooth and Claw. This phrase was already used in literature, but very commonly this line is ascribed to Lord Tennyson. Another question for you. Tread softly because you tread on my dreams. It was written by W.H. Auden, W.B. Yeats, John Donne, or William Shakespeare. Please tell the answer.